Today we have a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Nightmare Roommate Finally Gets What She Deserves.
Police respond to a residence where a woman has stolen the caller's automotive tool and is now refusing to get off his property.
Fine. All right, Michelle, they want you to leave for the night.
Hold on, I'll call you back.
So let's go. Michelle, what are we doing?
Shit.
Be addicted to them cigarettes.
And you don't leave.
Why the fuck do I have to?
Leave. They don't want you here.
I didn't know that.
I'm telling you that. They don't want you here.
That's fine. I'm trying to fucking leave anyway.
You're messing with the trash. You're not
Who gives
doing
a
anything.
fuck?
Oh my god, is Carmen still in this building?
Cat.
No shit. That's what I'm trying to do.
Dog. It's fine.
I got shit on my hands, matter of fact. You want to cuff them?
No.
No,
Get you.
no,
Stop. What are you doing?
It's just
Get out.
how you're acting. We like you here.
Why, is Jason at my house?
Jason stays at your house.
Does he still?
He should have left today, but you know damn well he didn't. So
Okay, well, probably not. So what the fuck is your two problem? I know he's a cockfight.
This other lady isn't helping. Move her and let the police just get her out of the house. This whole conversation back and forth. Come on, man.
We're playing a game here. Who wants to be the biggest cockfights?
I told you to stop being a dick to him.
No.
Because he was gonna call.
Who's gonna win? But
And that's why you can't.
he's a cop calling, and you did.
I
You
didn't call,
did.
dude. I did not call, and they could say I did not because I did not call. They have it on record. I did not call. I just want you to stop acting like that. Stop moving shit.
Throwing and breaking shit though.
What are
like
we
they
doing?
say.
No
I don't know what I'm
one's. No,
doing,
she's
Chloe.
not throwing
Would you
and breaking
please shut up,
stuff.
Chloe, so I can speak now.
Stop talking to your daughter like that. Get your shit. Get
You
out.
should have heard how the fuck she talking to me like
I don't
that.
give a shit. You raised her. This is on you.
Who the fuck
Get
are you to
your
talk?
shit and get out.
Who the fuck do you think you are to talk to me like
Just
that?
leave
You talk to anybody
tonight.
like that for fucking that matter, bud.
You have work
Mister.
tomorrow.
What's this one?
I don't know his name.
Durante?
I'm going to take your stuff and I'm going to throw it outside.
Hey, what stuff?
Grab her
Your
book bag,
bag,
take it
your
outside.
cell phone, your cigarettes. Let's
Just
go.
go. And I'll see you tomorrow. Just go. It's not a big deal. You're not getting in trouble if you just go. What are you fucking doing, bro? No. I just seen your boob, bro. What are you doing?
Kiss my ass, everybody. I'm pulling my pants up.
That you can get in trouble for that, dude.
But they can't when you go there.
you
tell
can
you
get
that.
in trouble
They
for
can
that.
go.
Don't do that.
You goddamn right I am.
Come on.
Probably not. I'll take a nap first.
No, that was really wrong. How you actually
rude,
talking about.
and I don't see why he's being rude to me.
You could
man.
be here, but you're acting like that, so you have to leave.
I'm
We are
putting
done.
my bra on so I could stand like Superman.
Well, I see your boob. And
I
your
didn't
ass.
really mean to do that. My
No,
smart
you
assness
didn't
don't
mean
care
to.
anymore.
I know you didn't mean to.
What the fuck, dude? Seriously? Like, what the fuck? I'll open the goddamn camera, huh? Now, that one was on purpose. Suck my dick.
You don't have one.
Can I, like, wash the shit up my hands? Are the dogs in the cage? I have not been
Dogs
able to
are
walk in the
outside.
fucking door, dude. Go inside was the debate. Now let's go outside.
No, I told you to
Can I
go
even
inside.
guess what I'm saying, Mr.
Get out of the
Gigolante?
freaking.
Mr.
You are,
Gigolo?
you are being
What is that
asked
thing?
to leave.
That's
Wash
fine.
your
I
hands.
seriously was trying to leave any fucking way.
Let's go.
Did she drive here?
Michelle?
Yeah. She walked? That you know of?
She gets rides from everybody.
Okay. What happened when she got here? Did you guys get in an argument?
Came home from work. She's fucked up.
She's not dealing with it?
Nope.
I got you.
She'd walked on her daughter the whole life. I told her she ain't fucking with me. Won't deal with it.
Why is this?
That's why you made Ben mad.
Are we
No,
done?
that's not why. I don't know why he's mad at me. That's what I'm saying.
Because
Why
you
is he
keep.
treating me
The officers need to separate the daughter from the mom. The daughter being there is not helping the situation. All they're doing is arguing and bickering with each other. Put her outside with the boyfriend so they could just work on getting the mom out. This is not helping the situation. So I don't understand why they still have her there. Other officers would have, all right, that's enough. Would have been separating them by now. All right, go outside, go. That's what's supposed to happen, man.
Like that. Why are you treating me like that?
I'm not treating you
Why the fuck is this treating me like that?
I'm not. I didn't even call them.
Are you joining the show, Mr. Hustler?
No.
You can't take people's stuff.
I can't even take my own stuff.
Come on.
You took my stuff first.
I don't want them to physically touch you.
And it was a game.
They're
I don't
asking
want
you to leave.
you
Please
to be
leave.
physically touched because I know how you act.
Yeah, because
So
right now
please
it's
stop.
it'll be fine.
Because she would freak the fuck out. I
Yeah.
know you. I'm not doing nothing wrong. Just leave for a little while. Oh my god.
You want me to get up? What's it called, running on the road naked? I'm the one who should fucking be here right now.
They're asking you to leave.
I don't. Yeah. So
you
fucking
need-
what?
so you
Why don't
need to
they leave?
leave.
They were leaving. News to me. They're leaving. Again.
Her daughter looked just like her mom. I'm not even gonna lie. She can't deny that that's her kid, boy.
So why do I need to leave?
Because you don't live
Hustler?
here.
Yes, I do. Yeah, that's why I didn't mind that you guys were called to begin with, even bigger than anything, cockfight or whatever. Because, yeah. Ooh!
Does she live here? No.
She don't live here. She don't pay rent here. She comes here because we're her family.
I'll
So-
call the landlord right
Not
now.
So
him,
does
but-
she stay here? Like,
Yeah.
okay. Where's your stuff?
Just get your bag and go for a little while. It's just for the
I know.
night.
Okay.
Just for
You
the
guys don't
night.
want it here, correct?
Michelle,
Don't want it here.
this is your last chance. You gotta get your stuff and you gotta leave.
Here to here.
You need to get
Am I
your
not
stuff and
allowed to hear what
you need to get your
Listen.
stuff and you need to leave.
Get your stuff right now, or you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
Why am I trespassing?
Because you don't live here.
She just said I fucking live here.
No, she
No,
doesn't.
she did
She
not.
said you not live
She
here.
said I don't live
She said
here.
you don't live here. So let's get your
Yes,
stuff
the
and let's go.
fuck I do.
Let's get your stuff and let's go.
Okay. Let's get your stuff. What's all yours? Book bag?
Dude.
Go. Come on. Let's go.
Karma. Karma. Karma.
What are you calling?
I'm getting my stuff and leaving, like you were telling me.
There's
Where am
your
I
stuff.
going?
Let's go.
Jesus.
Back to your
fuck,
house.
dude.
Get your phone. Get your smokes.
Really? You ran outside though.
What are we doing? Michelle, what are you doing?
Getting my stuff
Okay.
because I live here.
You can come back tomorrow with that stuff.
No, maybe I can't.
Let's go.
Fuck.
What are you doing? Alright.
Ow, ow, bitch! Dude, get the fuck off my arm right now!
Stop.
Motherfucker, now! Now!
Stop.
Are you gonna not twist me? That could have broke my arm, dude!
She has a shoulder problem.
Really, bro?
arms out. I got-
What
I
the
got
fuck was that, bro?
Pull your arms out.
What the fuck?
Pull your arms out.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Pull your arms.
Yeah, I already did get my arm, I think, bitch.
Well, why didn't you walk out?
Because I'm a smart ass. And that was an ass. Hey, that's my arm.
Don't hurt. Let her arm go. Let her arm go right now. No.
Karma, you bitch.
No.
Karma, come on. I think Karma's gonna die tonight, dude.
No, please don't arrest her, please.
Karma.
I have to put her dog down.
Chloe, listen to me.
Karma. Ow.
We're past that, Chloe.
Wake up.
Dude, was Karma dead? Karma, get this hair out of my mouth, dude. Let's pop it back in place, please. Let's do this.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Dude.
Michelle,
Stand up.
stand up.
Now that is ridiculous. Just stand up so you can feel better. When her arms are behind her back, it hurts her worse. She can't move that.
Chloe, listen to me. We gave her
I know.
plenty of opportunity. She wanted to then, as soon as I went to go hands on to arrest her, she wants to resist.
Right, bro, exactly.
Come on.
Don't hurt
Exactly.
her arm.
Again.
What do you expect us to do with
Stand
this?
up. I
All
know.
right,
I know.
this is what
I
we're doing.
know.
Hostage. Come here. Hostage. Grab.
She's annoying too. The daughter is annoying and kind of pissing me off too. Not gonna lie. You called the cops. When you call the cops, you have to be aware that there is a chance that somebody's gonna get arrested. You gotta always have that in the back of your mind. You're calling for one thing, but it can always go south. So now you trying to say, oh, don't arrest her. Oh, well, her arm is behind her back. No shit. If she would stand up and walk to the car peacefully, it wouldn't hurt as bad. So, yeah, she daughter is annoying too.
Grab an ankle. Let's go.
Please don't hurt her. Please don't.
That feels better, Chloe.
She wants to act like
Mom,
this.
get up. You're going to look stupid in front of my neighbor.
Dude, I'm trying to do something, Chloe. Just what the fuck out.
You're gonna
What
stand.
the fuck out, Chloe.
What? Just stop.
What the fuck out. That's what.
Listen to me.
Don't break those.
Nobody is.
I have to pay for that.
I'm not dealing with this.
Don't do that. Don't do that to my neighbor.
Dude, you're fucking hurting
Okay,
me,
what's she
dude.
gonna walk?
You're
Stand up.
Oh my goddamn.
Don't grab me.
Sorry, that
Stand
was
up.
the wrong one.
Put her on her feet.
No, she's not gonna walk, Chloe.
You motherfucker.
Just have a chance to stand up.
Ah!
We're giving you a chance to stand up now.
Fuck off me.
We're gonna
I
take
know
you to the ground. If you don't, you need to chill out. You're gonna go to the ground. You got it?
Get the fuck off me.
Chill out.
You got it.
Just
Are you gonna walk?
Quit trying to get out of your cuffs and let's go.
walk.
Okay. Back to
Caleb, go.
Okay.
Caleb, go.
Go.
Caleb, go.
Whoa, you're making me dizzy. Whoa,
Well,
let me down.
you had an opportunity to walk, and you don't want to walk, so I'm gonna carry you.
Sidewalk.
You got her.
Yeah. Calm down. Just calm down. You're fine. Calm down. You're fine. There's a bag back there.
Huh?
There's a bag back there.
Motherfucker! Don't do it, Michelle.
Calm down.
Don't do it.
Calm.
Michelle. Don't do it.
Calm down.
Don't do it, Michelle.
Do not grab me.
Are you gonna stand
I'm
up?
not.
Yes, you are.
Chloe, I understand that. What are we supposed to do?
I know I'm a smartass. Deal with it. Stop fucking yanking my face.
No
So
one
I'm
is.
fucking smears and shit.
Stop.
You're busting my wrist up.
Stop.
You're
Doing it
fucking
to yourself.
busting my goddamn.
Doing it
Stop.
to yourself. You're doing
Jesus
it to
fuck.
yourself.
Are you-
I'm trying to.
Are you
do
gonna
it
stand up?
myself now.
Listen to me. Are you gonna stand up?
Fuck. I want to stand up
Okay.
and be able to fucking walk. Ow!
They gave you.
What are you doing?
They gave you.
You are not even standing, Michelle. Michelle, what are we doing?
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, can I make a point? That man drives drunk every single day in his van.
Are we gonna stand up, Michelle?
We'll probably have to get back with that one. Just because we're
Dude,
What?
you jerked my fucking.
Michelle, you jerked your own arm. Stop. What are you doing? All right, let's try to stand her. We're gonna stand you up, Michelle. Put your legs underneath you. Put your.
Oh damn! Did you feel that shit? That felt great.
Stop dropping.
stop, drop
Come
it
on,
low.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Come on.
I got your phone and your glasses.
Do not spit on either one of us.
I know, I
do
taste
not.
blood.
Please do not spit, okay?
I can't help it.
Get in. Step in.
Dude, can you get the fuck off me?
No, we
for
cannot.
real?
We have to put you in the car.
You don't gotta break my bones by doing it. I thought we
Get-
went over this, dude. Yeah, I know, dude. Why are you hurting me? I'm not
Because
moving.
we were asking you
Look
to get
at
in the
this.
car, Michelle.
Get in the car.
Because I'm a dead brick.
Get in the
Look at
car.
this, though. I'm not trying
Stop.
to. No, I'm that fucking text.
Get in the car.
Yeah.
You're not.
I'm not resisting at all.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, now just I was, so you get my point.
Put your foot
You guys
in
are
the car.
busting my fucking bones up.
Put your foot in the car.
From the get-go.
Put your foot in the car.
What the fuck was that?
Get your foot in.
If they shut the door on your foot, that's your own fault.
I don't care. No.
Michelle was charged with assault on a peace officer, resisting arrest, and criminal trespassing. Further details aren't known, but we did find that she was arrested only a month and a half later on August 31st for resisting arrest and assault. Let's hope that she gets the help that she needs to stay out of jail.
Yeah. Wishful thinking. Wishful thinking, man. Damn, this is just... Man, they annoying, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, Jailhouse Accountability Scorecard time. We got 6 categories. Compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety risk, wasted chances. 0 is equals handled it perfectly. 10 equals generational crash out. So let's get to it, man. Compliance, we're going to give a 10 out of 10, man. She was told to leave over and over, got a final warning, then still refused and resisted. All right. Attitude, 9 out of 10. The cussing, disrespect, smart mouth comments, and flashing, okay, made everything worse. All right. Self-control, 10 out of 10. Total crash out, screaming, arguing, dropping her weight, right? Doing the dead weight thing, right? Refusing to walk and escalating the whole scene. Okay. Self-control, man. Truthfulness, 6 out of 10. The I live here claim was shaky because the actual residents said she did not live there. Okay. So realistically, I think she stays there a little bit more often than what the daughter and them were saying. Like, that's my personal opinion, but whatever. Yeah, so then let's go to safety risk. 8 out of 10. Once she started pulling away, resisting cuffs, refusing to stand, and possibly spitting blood, the risk level jumped. Okay, towards the end there, when she did spit, and she said that it was, it was blood, whatever. Like, that's nasty. Okay, and you spitting really close to the officers and everybody that's involved. All right, wasted chances, 10 out of 10. She had every chance. She had chance after chance to walk away with her phone, smokes, and bag, and wasted every single one. All right. They gave her more than enough time to walk away, in my opinion. But it didn't help that they still had the daughter in there going back and forth. I didn't like the daughter neither, honestly. Like, both of them is just, it's too much. And I could see that they could both like egg each other on and stuff. Like, I don't know. But anyway, final jail score, 53 out of 60. Converted score, 8.8 out of 10, man. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.